This one's better. I'm gonna fix this one a little bit, like make it a little more gradual.
Doesn't have to be perfect, really.
See how my armpits smell? Narcissist.
Let's just bask in it for a little while. Oh.
Maybe me. Mama can taste the poison. It'll all be over soon. Up. Up. Oh. Up. Had to keep our noses lined up. We should have conversations like this. You smell like my mom's perfume.
You smell like that chicken hut.
Is that bad?
No.
I'm sorry.
Beer and BO.
You smell like beer?
Liquor.
Is my breath bad?
No, it smells like mine.
I'm trying
Yes, it smells like mine.
Sorry.
It smells like crackers.
Mm. Does it look freaky when I do this?
What's going on?
You're like a cat. You're like Gollum. Oh! You know who else is Greek?
Popeye?
No. My eyes were closed.
Is my makeup all over my face like yours is?
I do smell. The shower curtain makes it way worse. Did you have your eyes open?
Yeah, didn't you?
Is that familiar to you?
No.
Penelope Cruz, circa Vanilla Sky. Make me pretty. I think it's the lights and the pressure and the camera. I can't do it anymore. And the director, he was just so hard on me, and I thought, who am I? What? I'm not a machine. You can't just.
Stupid.
Kiss it.
Stupid
Kiss it.
eyeliner. This is my bad side.
You don't have a bad side.
I do. Do you want to see why? Does everyone want to see why? This eyelid is different than this eyelid. There are 2 folds in this eyelid. There's 1 in this one.
Weird.
Do you see it?
I see it.
Oh, you have different folds too. This one's your good eye. That's my good eye also.
You get bigger noses. I don't want to push on you. Say your goodbyes. Wait, it's like no diggity, no doubt. We out, dog. We out, dig.
We out.